Hello guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Welcome back to Nanny World guys. In today's video, I'm just stewing some chicken parts and some white rice. I already cooked my white rice. Here's my rice. I already cooked. So yeah guys, this is the first time on my channel. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel guys, comment. Press the push bell for the video. You'll be the first to view the video and give it a thumbs up guys. And watch the video from the beginning to the end guys. Okay? You want to work it guys. Simple, easy recipe. No hassle, no fuss. Let's cook in with love. Add some onion in the second pot guys. Add the onion. I'm gonna add my red bean peas. Add black pepper. I'm gonna add some herb de Provence. I'm gonna add my mixed seasoning. And we're gonna give this a good stir, and I'm gonna lower the heat. Then you're gonna let this cook on low flame, guys. And get the water. I'm gonna add the water. With the potato. Then we're gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes. And after we taste for seasoning, and we are gonna add if necessary. At this moment, I'm not gonna add the seasoning as yet, guys. I'm gonna let the chicken boil down first, and then I'm gonna add the seasoning. Guys, I'm going to put my fajita sauce into the chicken. Our stew is almost done, guys. I'm gonna let the juice, sorry, I'm gonna let the sauce reduce a little bit before I turn off the stove, guys. And our peas is also ready. Yeah, our peas is done. I'm gonna add a little water into my fajita bottle. Wonderful. Gorgeous. Guys, our stew is ready. I'm gonna off the stove. The stew is ready, guys. Our food, our Sunday lunch is ready. This is our Sunday lunch. So chicken, red bean peas, and white rice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Share the video, tell a friend to tune in to Nanny World for more easy, simple recipe, guys, that you can try in the comfort of your home. But blessed Sunday in God's presence. Remember, I love you guys. God love you best. Bye bye. Kisses, guys. Bye.